Hello YouTube, how are you all? I know you all missed me. It's been ages since I uploaded a video of me riding a bike. Like the last one was the Razy video, so that's not really counted as bike. So anyhow, so it's my birthday today. Yes, 10th November is my birthday, and what better gift could I ask for than Aprilia? Of course, I didn't get it as a gift, nor do I get to ride it every day, but today is a special day. So anyways, let's just go ahead. Fuck, I feel so hot already. The beauty. So anyways, I was in the mood of making a video today. I hope the exhaust is not too loud. I just wish. And yeah, sorry about the wind noise on the last Aprilia review video. I really didn't know it would be that bad. The mic was out of its place. I'm just hoping the mic is in correct position now. Anyways, so today the main topic is, well, Benelli. Now you might be thinking, why am I making a video about Benelli on an Aprilia? Kind of, they're both Italian, but actually I was just in the mood of making a video today and I couldn't really think of anything else but this, so I said, be it. I've anyways done the review and all for this bike. So as you all know, I am coming from my factory, my friend's factory, where we manufacture paddock stands, and we are also going to start crash guards, frame sliders, blah 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 blah. And so I was just heading back to my friend's place who owns this Aprilia to give it back to him and get my bike back. Why? Because, well, it's too hot to ride this bike today. And so let's come to the main topic. So the topic is my experience with DSK Benelli Hyderabad. Okay, so where do we begin? Let's just say it's been a shitty experience. It's horrible. Okay, I know I don't own a Benelli, I ride a Kawasaki, but I'm a prospective customer, and there is a way to treat your prospective customers as well as your existing customers. So I am just thinking where to begin. Okay, let's just begin with, I'm not going to take any names, and yeah, this video is not meant to degrade anybody and all, but I really just want to make some points clear which I thought have to be made clear. First of all, people at the showroom, you guys are selling a product. Basically, we are the people who are coming to see the product, to see if it lives up to the expectation, as there was many, people were in two minds about Benelli because nobody knew that brand initially. But then again, the bike is selling like hotcakes. So let's just say, first of all, the bike is selling not at all because of the dealership's employees. No, the bike is selling only because it's a good bike. For that price, it's a very good bike. That's why it's selling. If it were left to just the marketing and customer handling skills of the people in the dealership at Jubilee Hills, then I doubt that till now the showroom would even be in existence. So let me tell you my own personal experience. So some people from the showroom have been talking shit about me behind my back. Now, there was a ride which was planned. It was a Benelli ownership ride, and I was asked to get some good amount of people to, promote the bikes. And the next day in the morning, just before going to the ride, I find out that there is a CC restriction not below 600. Nobody should be riding bikes below 600. Now, first of all, the event was publicized so much that it reached everyone, right from the person who rides say TVS Maestro to anything above. And most of the super bikes were my friends, the bikers. I really wanted to promote the thing because my good friend was also working at the Benelli dealership previously. And okay, I pop wheelies on public roads, but I am not a madman. I know where to pop, I know where not to pop. I just don't go about doing wheelies just about anywhere inside the city. I go to the highway. As I've said before, there are no drag strips here, there are no proper practice areas here, so we have to make the best of what we got. And I never do it when new people or many people are around. Most of the time I either ride solo, or I have my small group of 4 or 5 friends who gel with me, and we have that coordination, how I ride, how he rides. So that's why I never encouraged long and huge group rides, because there's always a risk. Now, after the whole event was over, it was a success, we got good bikes and all. I found out from some people that, and I know the people are not telling lies, because I have seen the dealership people bitch about their existing customers in front of me. And apparently people from Old City are not allowed to buy Benelli bikes. I don't know why. The dealership guys have put up that restriction, I think. They'll be bitching about them behind their backs and then smiling to their faces, which is not at all professional. Okay? So it doesn't matter your customers coming from Old City, New City, he rides a Activa, he rides a RSV4. It doesn't matter. He will come to buy your product. You're selling him your product and you're going to throw attitude at him. What kind of professionalism and ethics are those? Safety gear, it's my choice. Okay, as you guys can already point out, I'm not wearing my jacket well because it's a bloody hot day. I have these gloves, and yeah, I have this beautiful watch which my sister gifted to me. She's studying in Bangalore. If any of you are in Bangalore, you might already know. She tells me I have a lot of fans there. Anyways, so the point is, I mean, how can you be so unprofessional? I mean, you're not my friend, okay? Basically, I treat you, I'm addressing the people of the dealership, some people, I don't want to point the names out, because, well, you spoke nicely to me, and my parents have always taught me to be humble and polite to anybody who's humble and polite to you. If someone's good to you, you be 10 times more better than them. But what kind of professionalism is that, dude? You're selling your product and you go around bitching behind people's backs, your own customers, your prospective customers. I mean, that's not the way it's done. And I'm pretty much sure it's not the case with just this dealership. I am sure it happens at other dealerships too. It's just my luck that such a thing has never happened with me before. Okay, so the whole ride thing, and then again, a lot of employees are leaving. Some of my good friends who were working at the Benelli dealership are fed up, and they left their jobs because of one or two people who are creating havoc there. It's not like you own the place. You guys are supposed to stay there and manage the whole thing. You're not owners of the brand, or you're not ठेकेदार बोलते ना हिंदी में, you're not ठेकेदार्स. You just cannot go about bitching about your customers. You just cannot go about degrading your customers, and you can't deny that, because you've already done that in front of me, and you've done that about me too. No, honestly, I don't give a shit. I don't care, because I don't care what people say about me, because everybody knows the kind of rider I am, what I do, what I don't do, and I don't go around showing off people and throwing tantrums. But that's not the point. Woo! That's the only reason you buy an Aprilia. Okay. So my friend has told me not to use the quick shifter well, because there's some tuning which has to be done, but I hope he forgives me for using it this one time. I'm not going to be using it again. And so yeah, I really didn't like the way Benelli is handling their customers. The only reason the bikes are selling, they think maybe the main heads or whoever, the regional managers, they think that the bike is selling well because of the management you've put in there. No, if you're watching this video, please, you have to do something about it. And yeah, I do expect an apology. I'm already going to write a mail to DSK Benelli India or whoever is concerned, and see to it that no bitching is done about anybody. I just didn't want to create a scene at the showroom by walking up there and talking. I will handle things in the most professional way I can. And yeah, I'm not telling you guys not to go buy Benelli bikes, or I'm not pointing out anybody. It's just something that has happened with me. This is my channel. I'm sharing my opinions. So one big message to the showroom people: please get your act together, get your shit together, and treat your customers well. I know you guys butter a lot, but please, you don't have to go about bitching, because let's get to the fact. That is your work. Selling bikes is your work. Buying bikes and riding them is our hobby, a passion. So there's a big difference between both. You're not a passionate biker. God knows if you are or you're not, but I don't care. But with the way you talk and the way you handle things, even dude, last time I organized a ride, the guy in charge of the ride, the Benelli guy, he went and sat with my friends, neglected his own customers, and then he blames me that I am endangering others' lives by popping wheelies. Dude, first of all, I never invited you guys to my ride. You were the ones who came, and I was anyhow riding separately, doing my own thing, and not bothering any of you. So that's the whole mess. So I think the Indian biking culture does need to mature a fair bit. And yeah, they might lash at me or whatever, but I don't care. I'm a customer. I can buy 10 bikes, I can sell 10 bikes. It's my hobby, it's my passion. I'm not boasting or anything, but you being working at that dealership have no right to say anything offensive about me, at least to people who know me, or in front of 4 or 5 people. So anyways, I'm sure many of you have had bad experiences at dealerships yourselves. So just go ahead, go into the comment section, drop your comments below if you think you've been mistreated, or mistreating is too bad of a, if the showroom people have thrown any attitude at you at any point, wherever you're from. Just discuss. It's time we come up and speak, because guys, let's get to the reality. Whether you ride 1,000 or a 250, a customer is a customer. You can't differentiate between customers and what do you say, discriminate is the word, against them. And also one more experience my friend has had is, one of my friend has got a Benelli 600, but he didn't get a new bike because he was getting a 1-week used bike for a pretty less price, for 1 lakh less. And these showroom guys, they go about bashing, saying, oh, you should have gotten a new bike, the person you got it from has fucked the bike, this, that. Dude, it's none of your business. You just want to sell your product. Are you that narrow-minded? And they denied him roadside assistance because God knows why. The time was there, everything was there. They just simply denied him roadside assistance, saying he has to call up some ESI, somebody, just because he has a personal grudge. I mean, dude, you are at no stage. You work at a dealership. You are at no stage to have a grudge against your customers. You just can't do that. It's like peeing in the plate you eat, as simple as that. जो थाली में खाते उसमें ही मूतने के बराबर, छेद मारने के बराबर है, to say in Hindi. Anyhow, this video was not meant to degrade anyone or point anyone out in particular. It's just something that has happened with me. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna make a move now. I can't use the quick shifter, so there's no point in showing you guys some harsh riding. Plus we are in the city, but sayonara guys, my friend's house is coming up right there. Bye bye.